Alright, shut up, sirens. I know you're going to an emergency. You too. Man. Yep. Jeez. Station 7 has been really busy today. From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to SmokeyGoodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel, but oftentimes, we do other things too. Sometimes we do things we haven't done in a long time, and that would be what's going to be happening today. Did I say that right? That's what we're going to feature today, something that I haven't done in a long time, and I can't speak. We're going to do some, we're going to grill some chicken boobies, some grilled chicken breasts. It's been years, I think, since I've done that. We're going to do something with these chicken breasts that I did many years ago when I was first introduced to this stuff. This is, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Giardiniera. Giardiniera? I've heard people pronounce it Giardiniera. Hey, Giardiniera. Yeah, well, Giardiniera you too. Anyway, this is the hot Giardiniera, whatever, from a company called Mazzetta. Really good stuff. It's hot, but it's not that hot. I mean, it won't light you up. This is probably jalapeno hot. I don't know where that lands on the Scoville scale, but not that bad. Once it touches, well, I've been using this in spaghetti sauce a lot lately. God, it's good. But we're going to do something we did like 3 or 4 years ago. Like I said, when I was first introduced to this stuff. And that is we're going to stuff our chicken breasts. Back then I think it was pork chops. It's good. This is going to be good. Anyway, I like to ramble, and I don't know why. I'm going to edit most of this out. So without any more further subjective delaying ado, let's get these chicken boobies ready for the grill. Stick around. Here are the stars of our show. We have 4 boneless, skinless, quite large chicken boobs, chicken breasts, if you will. We have our Giardiniera. We have some Blackstone all-purpose seasoning. I've got a ramekin here. I'll tell you why in a moment. We've got 2 spoons in case we need them. So first things first, since we are working with raw poultry, you don't want to cross-contaminate. And I'm going to pour the Giardiniera, a good heaping amount of it, into this ramekin. And because you don't want to... that off to the side for a moment. And what we're going to do is exactly what I did with the pork chops a few years ago. I hope this knife is sharp enough for this. I'm just going to cut a slit right down the middle. Be careful not to go through it all the way. And we're just going to make a pocket, right? Just like that. All right. And we're going to fill that pocket with the good stuff. Oh yeah, Giardiniera. Like I said, I love this stuff. There you go. So how simple was that? So, we're going to continue with the remaining 3. This one, I think, we'll leave that one alone. One of these is going to be for Mrs. SmokeyGoodness, like I mentioned, but might as well do another one on camera for you, just in case you fell asleep or got up to get a beer or something. I know I'm stealing lines from the barbecue pit boys, but aren't we all? And the reason I have 2 spoons out here is because if I run out of Giardiniera for the 3rd chicken breast, which it looks like I just might be close to, well, we'll have it. And I won't have to stick this spoon back into this jar and cross-contaminate, right? You don't want to do that. All right. Yeah, I'll do the rest with this third one, and we'll get these bad rabbits on the grill here in just a moment, so stick around. Alright, just a couple of minutes has gone by. I want to check this guy real quick, make sure he's not, or she's not getting fried too badly. Oh yeah, got a ways to go. Alright, you know what? I forgot to apply some of the rub to both sides of this. That's alright. Just want to see how we're doing. The reason I've got this is because I don't want to lose any Giardiniera. We've got a ways to go, so we're doing good. We'll be back. A couple more minutes has gone by. See how we're doing here. Oh yeah, we are doing it. Almost overdid it. Just gonna move this guy off. I'm gonna turn him around. Since we really can't lay him on his side, I'm gonna give a little extra effort for that one. This guy, this gal, ready to be flipped, as I'm sure this one is. Alright, we're going to move some of these off already. Get them going indirect. It'll be the low and slow part of our picks mission. They won't be that slow though. These two, we'll let them park a little closer to the fire because they've got a lot more to cook. It'll be looking like here. Much better, much better. Alright. Off you go, little ladies. Okay. Off you go. Thickest part facing the flames on all of them. Yes, sir. We're getting close, we're getting close, we're getting close. 5 more minutes. And so, folks, as the sun slowly sets in the west, these bad rabbits are done. I just checked the temperature. They range in temperature from about 163, 164, right in there. Carryover cooking will take care of that, to about 172. So it's time to get them off the grill. Let them rest for just a moment. I don't know how we're going to do that. These bad rabbits look really good. The good, the bad, and the delicious. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Yes, sir.